Here we go, crap to cream. Bottom shed, got the new spigot bearing into the end of the crankshaft, which is supplied with the kit, and I've now mounted obviously the clutch cover plate, not forgetting the washers in there. Hopefully you can see them, because you need those, because the drive plate on the Mazda drive plate is slightly thicker than the original MG one. So that's in there. I have aligned the clutch with the tool, so hopefully that will be good enough for it just to go straight in. I'll put a little bit of grease on the end of the spigot bearing. Because I've put extra grease into the spigot bearing itself, and it's a roller bearing. I don't like these roller bearings, but anyway, it is what it is. So let's see how we go with the alignment. Don't need that in there. Oh my goodness, I do not believe that went straight in. Woohoo! Oh, oh dear me. Not gonna do that again. Hold gearbox in place while putting bolt in. Do not let gearbox go. Ah, crumbs. I cannot believe that went straight in. Washer. Spring washer. Oh yes, oh yes. Great celebration. That has got to be a first. Typically that would have taken about 15 attempts. Checking the realignment, the whole lot. Oh my goodness. Woohoo! Woohoo! Right, I've got my bencher over there now, put that underneath there, tighten all those up to the appropriate torque, and then the engine is pretty ready, close to going back in again. So something I'll let you know is that I am going in for a bit of eye surgery next week. So I've got a bit of prep work to do coming up to that, and I'm not sure how much or how I'll go with presenting any videos in the next week or so. So if you don't get a regular catch up, you know the reason why. As soon as I'm back up and running again, I will keep you up to date with progress. I have to move to the car now because I've got some wiring to do in there and a bit of other work to do in the engine bay while the engine is out, so I can just sort of plop it in. I cannot believe that gearbox went straight into that engine. Woohoo, great stuff. And I'm damn sure I haven't forgotten anything. Wow. Okay, great. Alright, so as usual, thank you to subscribers and followers and all those other wonderful people, and the comments that I've received. I'll answer them as best I can, and I'm just glad that some of the stuff that I mention starts conversation for other people to live and learn as we go forward with this little journey here. Alright then, I'll speak to you as soon as I have recovered and I know what the outcome is. Okay, bye for now. Whilst I remember, I'm going to put a few photographs of what the rocker shaft looks in alignment with the valve spring and valves at the back end of this video. So you'll see those as soon as I stop talking. So there we go. There's just showing you the alignment of what the valves and the valve rockers look like, because I did get some sort of questions around that. Okay. Sorry, bye for now.